Hello and welcome to Daily Market Wrap, where we recap the main events, key market movers, and provide a daily market report. Let's dive into today's market highlights and see how the indices performed. Veteran investor Mark Mobius has reaffirmed his bullish stance on Indian equities, calling it his top market despite geopolitical tensions. He warns that regulatory red tape is slowing foreign investor access, impacting fund deployment. Mobius emphasizes focusing on company fundamentals rather than market timing, urging investors to seek strong businesses amidst market volatility. As interest rates are expected to decline, certain sectors like auto and white goods may see increased demand. Analysts suggest these sectors could be worth watching for potential gains. Investors are encouraged to consider stocks from these sectors as they could experience significant upside potential in the coming quarters. In a market showing signs of consolidation, investors are advised to focus on large cap stocks with strong management and growth potential, especially in sectors experiencing slower growth. Investors should look for companies that can perform well even in challenging economic conditions, ensuring a reason to buy and hold. Indian benchmark indices saw a significant rally today, with the Sensex rising 1,200 points and the Nifty gaining 395 points, driven by positive investor sentiment. Key factors include talks of a zero-tariff trade deal with the US, falling crude prices, and strong foreign institutional investor inflows. Zinc prices have shown a slight decline, trading at 258.15 rupees per kilogram. This follows a recent recovery due to a US-China tariff truce. Traders are advised to consider long positions in the 250 to 251 rupees range with a target of 262 rupees. Hero MotoCorp shares climbed nearly 5% after JM Financial reinitiated coverage with a target price of 4,700 rupees, indicating a potential upside. The brokerage cites strong growth prospects driven by new product launches and a recovery in rural demand as key factors for this positive outlook. Shares of Avic Chengdu Aircraft have dropped 12% over three trading sessions amid rising tensions following India's Operation Sindoor and Prime Minister Modi's rebuttal of Pakistan's claims. The sell-off reflects broader weakness in Chinese defense stocks, while Indian defense stocks have surged in response to these developments. Japan's Nikkei index fell for the second consecutive day, dropping 1% as a stronger yen negatively impacted automaker shares, leading to cautious investor sentiment. Investors remain cautious after a rapid run-up in the Nikkei, with concerns about potential overheating in the market. Solar Industries shares surged to a fresh 52-week high after the government confirmed the use of Nagastra drones in Operation Sindoor, showcasing India's defense capabilities. The drones' precision strike capabilities have garnered attention, marking a significant milestone in India's defense manufacturing sector. European shares fell as energy stocks dragged down the market, with investors awaiting key US economic data and remarks from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The Stoxx 600 index was down 0.5%, reflecting broader market concerns amid falling oil prices. In summary, today's market was influenced by various factors, including geopolitical tensions, interest rate expectations, and sector-specific opportunities. Investors are encouraged to stay informed and focused on fundamentals. Let's take a closer look at the performance of our key indices today. The markets have shown a positive trend, with significant movements across the board. We'll explore the Nifty 50, BSE Sensex, Nifty Bank, and Nifty 500, highlighting their key movers and technical levels. The Nifty 50 closed at 25,062, gaining 395 points today. Over the past week, it has surged by approximately 3%, With a remarkable advanced decline ratio of 49 to 1, the index is nearing its 52-week high of 26,277. The BSE Sensex ended the day at 82,530, up by 1,200 points. This week, it has seen a rise of around 3%. The index has a strong support level at 70,234, while the advanced decline ratio stands at 29 to 1. Nifty Bank finished at 55,356, gaining 554 points. In the last month, it has increased by about 6%. The index has a 52-week high of 56,098, with a market breadth of 9 advances to 3 declines. The Nifty 500 closed at 22,789, up by 289 points. Over the past month, it has risen by approximately 7%, with a strong advanced decline ratio of 376 to 124. The index is performing well against its 52-week high of 24,573. In summary, the indices have shown robust performance today, with strong advances and positive momentum across the board. Let's take a closer look at today's top gainers, highlighting the stocks that have made significant strides in the market. Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited saw a remarkable rise, closing at Rs 862.30, up by Rs 127. With a market cap of 10,434 crore rupees, the stock has shown a one-week gain of approximately 3%. eClerx Services Limited surged to Rs 3,156, gaining Rs 407. The company boasts a market cap of 12,887 crore rupees, and its one-week performance reflects a solid increase of around 10%. Apar Industries Limited climbed to Rs 7,941, marking a gain of Rs 1,014. With a market cap of 26,154 crore rupees, the stock's recent surge can be attributed to strong quarterly results, showcasing a year-on-year profit increase. KIC International Limited ended the day at Rs 803.85, up by Rs 66.50. The company, with a market cap of 19,511 crore rupees, has shown a steady performance with a one-week gain of around 5%. Kajaria Ceramics Limited closed at Rs 931.30, gaining Rs 65.20. With a market cap of 13,542 crore rupees, the stock has seen a modest one-week increase of approximately 2%. Today's top gainers reflect a mix of strong quarterly performances and positive market sentiment, showcasing resilience in various sectors. Let's walk through today's top losers, where we will explore the stocks that faced the most significant declines. Hitachi Energy India Limited saw its shares drop to Rs 15,570, down by 6.97%, translating to a loss of Rs 1,165. Despite this, the company has shown impressive returns over the past year, up by 48.66%. Muthoot Finance Limited's stock price fell to Rs 2,104, down 6.9% or Rs 156. Interestingly, the company recently reported a 22% year-on-year surge in net profit, which may have contributed to the volatility. Newland Laboratories Limited experienced a decline, with shares now priced at Rs 11,859, reflecting a drop of 4.94% or Rs 615. However, the company has delivered remarkable returns over the past year, soaring by 101.7%. Piramal Pharma Limited's current market price stands at rupees 208.61, down 4.77%, which is a decrease of rupees 10.43. Despite this dip, the stock has shown a solid annual return of 43.71%. Sagility India Limited's shares are now at rupees 44.94, down 4.49%, or rupees 2.11. The stock has had a mixed performance recently, but it still holds a year-to-date decline of 5.01%. Today's top losers reflect a mix of recent performance and market reactions, highlighting the volatility in the current trading environment. Let's walk through the exciting world of stocks reaching new 52-week highs. This segment highlights stocks that have achieved significant price milestones, reflecting strong market momentum and investor confidence. These levels often indicate bullish trends and can be pivotal for traders and investors alike. Coromandel International Limited has reached a new high of 2,511 rupees today. With a market cap of 71,694 crore rupees, the stock traded over 12 lakh shares, reflecting a robust trading volume. Over the past year, it has surged nearly 97%, showcasing impressive growth. Shree Cements Limited hit a new peak at 31,835 rupees. The company boasts a market cap of 1,08,765 crore rupees with a trading volume of 1,72,000 shares today. Despite a slight dip of 1.55% today, its yearly performance remains strong at around 17%. Godfrey Phillips India Limited reached a new high of 9,248 rupees. With a market cap of 46,761 crore rupees, the stock saw a volume of 85,000 shares traded today. Over the past year, it has delivered an astonishing return of 153%, reflecting strong investor interest. APL Apollo Tubes Limited achieved a new high of 1,782 rupees. The market cap stands at 47,876 crore rupees with the trading volume of nearly 8 lakh shares today. The stock has shown a solid performance over the last 3 months, climbing approximately 32%. Bharat Electronics Limited reached a new high of 351 rupees. With a market cap of 2,45,426 crore rupees, it recorded a staggering volume of over 35 million shares traded today. Despite a slight decline of 2.5% today, its yearly growth stands at around 44%. ICICI Bank Limited hit a new high of 1,457 rupees. The bank has a market cap of over 10 lakh 18,863 crore rupees with a trading volume of more than 18 lakh shares today. Its one-year performance is impressive, showing a growth of approximately 27%. Max Financial Services Limited reached a new high of 1,364 rupees. The market cap is at 44,523 crore rupees with a trading volume of over 13 lakh shares today. Despite a decline of 3.59% today, its yearly performance remains strong at nearly 29%. Dalmia Bharat Limited achieved a new high of 2,093 rupees. With a market cap of 37,639 crore rupees, the stock traded around 3 lakh shares today. Although it faced a decline of 2.4% today, its one-year performance is still positive at approximately 14%. In summary, these stocks reaching new highs reflect strong market dynamics and investor confidence. Keep an eye on these trends for potential investment opportunities. As we dive into today's sector performance, we see a dynamic rotation across the market. Investors are keenly observing which sectors are gaining momentum and which ones are lagging behind. Let's explore the top performers and the sectors that faced challenges today. Leading the charge today is the Nifty India defense sector, surging by 2.62%. This robust performance is fueled by heightened defense spending and strategic government initiatives, pushing the sector closer to its yearly highs. With a remarkable one-week return of over 14%, investor confidence is clearly on the rise. Next up, we have the Nifty Realty sector, which saw a modest increase of 1.92%. This uptick can be attributed to positive sentiment in the real estate market, driven by easing regulations and increased demand for housing. Despite a challenging year, the sector is showing signs of recovery with a weekly return of around 6%. Finally, the Nifty media sector closed up by 1.59%. This sector is benefiting from a surge in digital content consumption and advertising revenues. With a solid one-week return of nearly 9%, it appears to be gaining traction, although it still faces hurdles from previous yearly declines. Interestingly, there were no significant declines in today's market, indicating a strong overall performance across sectors. This absence of underperformers suggests a bullish sentiment prevailing among investors, reflecting confidence in the market's resilience. In summary, today's sector performance highlights a clear strength in the Nifty India defense, realty, and media sectors, showcasing strong gains and positive trends. With no notable declines, the market appears to be in a healthy state, setting the stage for our next segment. Let's dive into today's sector performance to identify where institutional money is flowing. Leading the charge today is the Nifty India Defence Index, which surged by 2.62%. Astra Microwave Products Limited was a standout performer, climbing 9.13% to close at Rs 1002. Cochin Shipyard Limited followed closely, gaining 6.64%, ending the day at Rs 1812. Zen Technologies Limited also made waves, rising 5.01% to finish at Rs 1709. Other notable mentions include Data Patterns India Limited, up 3.42%, and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, which increased by 3.39%. Next up, we have the Nifty Realty Index, which saw a solid increase of 1.92%. Raymond Limited led the way with a gain of 4.99%, closing at Rs 578.7. Macrotech Developers Limited also performed well, rising 4.14% to Rs 1371. Anant Raj Limited added to the positive momentum with the 3.1% increase, finishing at Rs 473.6. DLF Limited and Prestige Estates Projects Limited rounded out the top performers, gaining 2.96 and 1.7% respectively. The Nifty Media Index also had a good day, climbing 1.59%. PVR Inox Limited was a key contributor, rising 2.65% to close at Rs 991.15. Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited followed with a 2.44% gain, ending at Rs 126.93. Nazara Technologies Limited also saw a positive move, up 2.17% to Rs 1248. Other contributors included Hathway Cable Datacom Limited and Saragama India Limited, both of which posted modest gains. Shifting gears, let's look at the sectors that faced challenges today. The Nifty Realty Index had a tough day, with Brigade Enterprises Limited leading the decline, down 2.49% to close at Rs 1065. While the sector had some gainers, this decline highlights the volatility in real estate stocks. Now let's dive into today's analyst recommendations, where expert insights can significantly influence market movements. First up, we have GAIL receiving a buy recommendation from ICICI Securities. The current price stands at rupees 185.02 with a price at recommendation of rupees 186. The target price is set at rupees 260, indicating a potential upside of approximately 41%. Analysts believe Gale's strong fundamentals and market position make it a compelling buy. Next, Ask Automotive also garners a buy rating from ICICI Securities. Currently priced at rupees 439.5, the recommendation was made at rupees 444. The target price is rupees 535, suggesting a potential upside of around 22%. Analysts highlight the company's robust growth prospects in the automotive sector as a key driver for this recommendation. Interestingly, Gale receives another buy recommendation, this time from JM Financial. The current price remains at rupees 185.02 with a recommendation price of rupees 186. The target price is set at rupees 225, indicating a potential upside of approximately 22%. This dual endorsement underscores Gale's strong market position and growth potential. Shifting gears, let's discuss Shree Cements, which has been rated as a sell by Choice Equity Broking Private Limited. The current price is rupees 31,400 with a recommendation price of rupees 30,632. The target price is set at rupees 27,000, suggesting a potential downside of around 14%. Analysts cite concerns over rising costs and market competition as reasons for this cautious stance. Next, we have Dabur India receiving a sell recommendation from ICICI Direct. The current price is rupees 469 with a recommendation price of rupees 471.35. The target price is rupees 463.7, indicating a potential downside of approximately 1%. Analysts express concerns over market saturation and competitive pressures impacting growth. Lastly, we have Prudent Corporate Advisory Services, which is rated as a hold by ICICI Securities. The current price is rupees 2,414.9 with a recommendation price of rupees 2,419. The target price is set at rupees 2,535, suggesting a potential upside of around 5%. Analysts recommend holding as they anticipate steady performance in the advisory sector. In summary, today's analyst recommendations highlight key opportunities and cautionary tales in the market landscape. Now let's turn to stocks displaying bullish technical patterns that could indicate potential upward momentum. These signals are crucial for traders looking to capitalize on market movements. First up, we have DSJ Keep Learning Limited trading at rupees 3.75. The MACD crossover signal has been generated as the MACD line crosses above the signal line. This indicates a potential shift in momentum, suggesting that buyers may be gaining control. Next, let's look at Embassy Developments Limited and currently priced at rupees 101.75. The stock has crossed above the lower Bollinger Band, which typically suggests a reversal from bearish pressure. This could signal a potential upward movement in the near term. Moving on to Polycab India Limited, with a last traded price of rupees 6,042. A stochastic crossover has been detected, indicating that the fast stochastic line has crossed above the slow line. This often suggests a bullish momentum shift, hinting at possible price increases ahead. Now lastly, we have Quadrant Televentures Limited, trading at rupees 0.35. The RSI has crossed above 30, breaching a critical level. This is a strong indicator of a change in market sentiment, often leading to potential upward price movements. Finally, let's discuss Billcare Limited, priced at rupees 74.99. A golden cross has been triggered as the 50-day simple moving average crosses above the 200-day average. This is a classic bullish signal, suggesting that traders should keep a close eye on this stock for potential gains. In summary, these bullish signals highlight stocks that may be poised for upward momentum, offering exciting opportunities for traders. Let's now examine stocks displaying bearish technical patterns that traders should approach with caution. These signals can indicate potential downward price movements, and it's crucial for investors to stay alert. First up, we have Privi Specialty Chemicals Limited trading at Rs 2341.2. The stock has triggered an RSI crossover, with the current RSI above 80. This breach suggests a significant shift in market sentiment, indicating potential weakness ahead. Next, let's look at Leisure Industries Limited and currently priced at Rs 1.35. This stock has generated a death cross signal, as the 50-day simple moving average has fallen below the 200-day simple moving average. This condition often signals a bearish trend, warranting close attention from traders. Moving on to Seasons Textiles Limited with a last traded price of Rs 19.41. The stock has experienced a simple moving average crossover, as the last traded price has crossed below the 20-day simple moving average. This signal indicates a potential shift in momentum, suggesting further downside risks. Now, we have Megrisoft Limited trading at Rs 130.15. This stock has triggered a stochastic crossover, with the fast stochastic line crossing below the slow stochastic line. This shift in momentum could indicate a bearish trend, suggesting caution for potential investors. Finally, let's discuss Nandani Creation Limited, priced at Rs 43.46. This stock has also generated a simple moving average crossover, as the last traded price has crossed below the 50-day simple moving average. This signal highlights a potential bearish trend, indicating that traders should be vigilant. In conclusion, today's bearish signals highlight stocks that may face downward pressure. Traders should approach these stocks with caution and consider the technical indicators before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us on Daily Market Wrap.